Hello, I am Cosimo from Spoki, and today I will talk to you about WhatsApp and Spoki. Let's start with WhatsApp. WhatsApp has three products. The first product is WhatsApp Classic, the one we all use every day. The second product is WhatsApp Business. WhatsApp Business is designed for small businesses and has important limitations. The first limitation is that it cannot be automated in any way, so all the work is manual. The second limitation is that massive B-links cannot be made. There are broadcast lists, but they also have limitations. The first limitation is on the number of people that can be added to a list, but especially the user who receives the list, the message, does not receive it unless they have added us to their contacts, which happens very rarely with businesses. This makes this tool practically unusable. The third limitation is that currently no more than 4 users can access WhatsApp web simultaneously and use the chat. In addition to the fact that, even if it were possible, it is not possible to have control over this channel, meaning who is writing what to whom. For about 3 years, and few exist since this third product was born, the WhatsApp APIs have existed. The WhatsApp APIs are a software tool that allows a developer to send and receive messages, in this case, automatically. However, to do this, it is necessary to use code. Obviously, most businesses and companies cannot afford to develop a solution, and therefore the chat and everything surrounding these APIs, which is why Spoki was created. Spoki offers a cloud platform, turnkey for companies, to allow them to connect this channel to their systems and software with just a few clicks. This is precisely because for this third channel, unlike the other two, WhatsApp has not created another. How does Spoki solve these problems? The advantage of these APIs is that they manage to overcome all the limits of WhatsApp Business. The first limit is that you can write to anyone at any time as long as you have their phone number, even if that person has not added you to their contacts. The second advantage is that, thanks to Spoki, there are no limits on the number of people and operators who can simultaneously use the web application, both from desktop and mobile, because being a web application, it can be used anywhere. And Spoki also allows for installation and thus having push notifications, just like with the WhatsApp app. The third advantage of using Spoki is its integrability. That is, it is possible to connect Spoki to all the marketing automation and e-commerce tools you already use, without having to recreate everything from scratch, even with APIs for custom systems. What does Spoki offer? Spoki essentially offers everything that can be done with emails and even more, but on WhatsApp. This means being able to run massive campaigns on WhatsApp in BIM. Campaigns that can therefore be scheduled and that especially provide us with statistics. Who received, who read, who responded. So everything becomes measurable even on this channel. As I was saying, Spoki can be used by multiple operators simultaneously and also allows you to go much further. That is, it is possible to assign a chat to an operator. There are different roles. There is the operator who can see and manage only their own chats. There are chat managers who can assign chats to operators, and all of this is easily configurable through Spoki. The second advantage is that there is a live chat that allows you to manage all users. Users can manage flows in different ways. Spoki allows you to have automations, thus sending automatic messages to users. But not only sending messages, it also allows you to perform various operations, such as adding tags, removing tags, adding a list and removing a list, adding an operator and removing an operator, sending webhooks, and more, as well as the contact blocking, which would allow you to manage users who no longer want to receive messages from you. What is the risk of all this? The risk of all this is spam, which is why today no one reads emails. We are around 15% if we're lucky, while in WhatsApp it is over 90% for message open rates. How does WhatsApp protect this channel? In 2 ways. The first way is that it is true that you can send a message to anyone at any time, as long as you have their phone number, but you must do it through a template pre-approved by WhatsApp. The template is very powerful. The template is a text message that can contain dynamic fields, so hello, name, blah blah blah, link, and so on. It can even contain bots associated. It can be multilingual, and Spock will automatically send the message in the correct language based on the prefix. It can also have messages with associated images, associated documents, but this template must be approved by WhatsApp. The activation is quick, it takes little time, about half an hour, But this is to allow WhatsApp to check that you are not using content against their policies, such as sex, drugs, and so on. Once this message is approved, you can send it to anyone at any time. Second way, this is not enough to combat spam. The second way is that, first of all, the number activated on Spoki must be a number associated with a verified Meta Business Manager. This allows Meta to verify that the one sending the messages is indeed a company and also knows which company it is. After that, as soon as you start, you will be at the first level. The first level allows you to contact a maximum of 1,000 people per day. If you behave well, that is, you start sending messages and are not reported too much by users, and you need it, that is, in a few days you contact double those 1,000, you go to the next level, which is 10,000 per day. If you behave well, you need 100,000 per day. If you behave well, you need unlimited. As soon as you behave badly, so let's say you suddenly start a massive campaign, the first thing it will do is block the template. In this way, you will no longer be able to use that template. You will have to create a new one to make another send. And then you start to lower your level and decrease the quality of your account. Continuing, it will lower the levels further until it bans you. In this way, it becomes practically impossible to spam in the long term on WhatsApp. What else? What do you pay for in Spoki? In Spoki, we pay in pricing. In Spoki, we have no fixed costs. We have no subscription. You only pay for two things. The first is a one-time activation fee. The second is pay-as-you-go top-ups, as Spoki is a prepaid plan. Let's start with the activation. What does the activation include? The activation includes several things. First of all, we help you obtain approval from Meta's Business Manager by asking for all the documents and assisting you in this process. You provide us with a number, even a landline, and we activate it on Spoki. After that, there is the delivery of the platform with a series of videos and documentation to help you learn how to use this platform. Additionally, there is a dedicated customer success manager who will provide support for your entire time on Spoki. So you can contact our customer success manager on WhatsApp and receive support on WhatsApp in case there are any issues. The second thing we talk about is pay-as-you-go top-ups. There are various top-up packages that are consumed. But what gets consumed? What gets consumed in Spoki is the conversation. What is the conversation? The conversation is a business model created by WhatsApp. When comparing it to something similar like SMS, unlike SMS where you are charged for each individual message sent, let's say the cost of an SMS is around 8 cents. The first message costs 8 cents, the second message 16 cents, and so on. Besides the fact that users are not used to dealing with SMS and do not want to, especially since they often pay for them, when comparing what has WhatsApp done. It has created a business model that is better than this. What WhatsApp says is that you only pay for the first message you send, after which you can exchange all the messages you want for 24 hours without paying anything else. This means that with the cost of one conversation, you will get 24 hours of conversation for free. The cost of a conversation depends on the package. The minimum package is 199 euros, and the cost of the conversation depends on the user receiving the message. In Italy, the cost is 10 cents per conversation. The maximum package allows you to go down to 8 cents per conversation in Italy. So you recharge, and the recharge lasts 1 day. This is all you pay in Spoki. There are no other costs. This means everything is limited, meaning you can have as many contacts as you want, manage all the lists, tags, and have as many operators as you want in the system, integrating it into your software. Everything without limits. Spoki can be integrated in various ways, both with APIs and with the data premiums within our software, as well as with different integration tools. For example, we are official partners of ActiveCampaign. We integrate with Zapier, HubSpot, WooCommerce, Shopify, and many other integrations that you can find on the website. I hope I have clarified your ideas a bit about this world of WhatsApp, and have a good day.